ASME Section 2 Part A, B, C and D Materials 24 hours virtual professional training program presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Why learn ASME Section 2? Every pressure vessel, boiler, heat exchanger, storage tank and piping systems begins with one critical decision: selecting the right material. Incorrect material selection can result in equipment failure, corrosion, reduced service life, costly repairs, code non-compliance, safety risks. ASME Section 2 provides internationally accepted material specifications and allowable stresses used throughout the ASME boiler and pressure vessel code. Professionals working with ASME codes must understand how to interpret and apply these materials requirements correctly. Now let us see the course overview. This 24-hour structure-led training program provides detailed practical knowledge covering all four parts of ASME Section 2. We provide this training online to delegates enroll from different countries. Part A is for ferrous material specifications. Part B is for non-ferrous material specifications. Part C is for welding rods, electrodes and filler metals. Part D is for materials properties and allowable stress values. Participants will gain practical knowledge through engineering examples, code interpretations and industry case studies. Module 1: Introduction to ASME Section 2. The course begins with an overview of ASME boiler and pressure vessel code, structure of ASME codes, relationship between sections 2, 1, 8, 9, B31.3 and other codes, importance of material selection, material traceability, international material standards. Participants learn where Section 2 is used throughout engineering projects. Model 2: ASME Section 2 Part A. Part A covers ferrous material specifications. Topics include carbon steel materials, alloy steel materials, stainless steel materials, plate specifications, pipe specifications, tube specifications, forgings, castings, bolting materials, material identification, material certification, ASTM and ASME relationship. Practical examples explain how engineers select materials for pressure equipment. Model 3: ASME Section 2 Part B. Part B focuses on non-ferrous materials. Participants learn about copper alloys, nickel alloys, titanium alloys, aluminum alloys, zirconium materials, high corrosion resistant materials, heat resistant materials, material selection guidelines, international applications. Case studies demonstrate when non-ferrous materials provide the best engineering solution. Module 4: ASME Section 2 Part C. Part C deals with welding materials. Topics include welding electrodes, filler metals, fluxes, welding consumables, material classification, welding standards, selection of welding consumables, compatibility with best materials, welding procedure support, material storage requirements. Participants gain confidence in selecting the correct welding consumables for ASME compliant fabrication. Module 5: ASME Section 2 Part D. Part D is one of the most frequently used sections during design. Topics include allowable stress tables, tensile strength, yield strength, mechanical properties, elastic modulus, thermal expansion, density, physical properties, design temperature, stress calculations, material performance at elevated temperatures. Participants learn how designers use Part D for pressure vessel and piping calculations. Who should attend? This training is ideal for design engineers, mechanical engineers, pressure vessel engineers, boiler engineers, piping engineers, welding engineers, QA/QC engineers, inspection engineers, third party inspectors, EPC professionals, consultants, manufacturers, fabricators, auditors, engineering students. Now training benefits. After completing this course, participants will be able to understand ASME Section 2 completely, select appropriate engineering materials, interpret ASME material specifications, use allowable stress tables correctly, select welding consumables, improve engineering decisions, support ASME code compliance, enhance career opportunities in pressure equipment industries. Now, at last, whether you are designing pressure vessels, manufacturing boilers, fabricating piping systems, performing inspections, or managing quality assurance, mastering ASME Section 2 Parts A, B, C, and D is essential for ensuring safety, reliability, and compliance with international engineering standards. Join the 24-hour professional training program from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited and strengthen your expertise in ASME material specifications through practical learning, expert guidance, and real-world industry examples. Contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Enroll now and take the next step toward becoming an expert in ASME material specifications and international engineering standards. If you found this video informative, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more professional training programs on ASME codes, API standards, welding, pressure equipment, piping, inspection, and international engineering practices. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to our ASME Section 2 training program. We provide this training program to industries also. You can conduct on-site training there in their location, and international participants can join this training online. We have regular batches every month, so please contact us for any query through WhatsApp +917359458455. We remain available 24/7 on WhatsApp. Thank you.